Okay, nice 100-degree day, and the structure faces west. This isn't the order that you'll see them, but this is the very first part of my inspection. It's later in the inspection report. But this is the water meter, and it's a digital water meter. So it's going to be difficult for me to be able to make a positive determination of whether there's a fresh water leak into the house. But this is your meter. It's inside the parkway. Then across from the parkway, the sidewalk, where it should be, this is the lawn sprinkler control check valve, and they should be serviced about once every year. And this is the main shut-off valve for the lawn sprinkler system. So if you've got a problem with your lawn sprinkler system, or you think you've got a water leak, that'll turn off all the water to it. These valves right here, these two valves, they're isolation valves. And so the way this valve itself can be serviced. These valves handles have a tendency to rust, and so it would be better if you use this valve over here for your lawn sprinkler system and save these valves for the technician. Coming along, still to the front of the house, these are your main sewer cleanouts. You have a double cleanout. They both turn different ways. So if a Roto-Rooter snake was installed in this cleanout, its bend would take it out to the street. If it was installed in this cleanout, its bend would take it into the house, and that way you never have a dead spot. This is the main water shut-off valve to the house. So if you got an emergency, this is where you go to turn off the water in that valve. Then moving on along, we're on the north side of the house. North side of the house. These splash blocks are laid out backwards, by the way. I don't know why the builders do that. I think they just do that to make home inspectors complain. What we're looking for is between 40 and 80 psi. And we got just about 60 psi. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. I've heard all kinds of stories about this, like the water's supposed to splash and spread out. No, it's backwards. It's just plain backwards. 60 psi.